RHS Pre-Calculus presents How to Derive the Double Angle Formula for Cosine by
Buster Cosine,
Snoop Dio Double Angle,
and Dr. Derivative.
Snoop Dio Double Angle, Buster Cosine, and Dr. Derivative will help you along the way.
The name's Dr. Derivative, but you can call me Dre. Now open up your ears because I got plenty to say. Today we're going to teach you a double angle lesson about how to derive cosine, so shut up and stop messing. By the end of this video, you will be an official whiz. I'm sure you will ace that next derivative pop quiz.
So let's start this, playa. First, recall that cosine A plus B equals cosine A, cosine B, minus sine A, sine B.
The double angle formula for cosine looks like cosine 2 theta equals, what this equals can be three different things, but they will all give the same answer. They are cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta, 1 minus 2 sine squared theta, or 2 cosine squared theta minus 1.
To receive the answer that cosine 2 theta equals cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta, we must recall that cosine A plus B equals cosine A cosine B minus sine A sine B. Let's replace A and B with theta, because cosine 2 theta is the same as cosine theta plus theta. So,
Cosine theta plus theta equals cosine theta times cosine theta minus sine theta times sine theta. Therefore, cosine 2 theta equals cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta.
Now that we have the first answer, we will use it to figure out the rest. Since cosine 2 theta equals cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta, we will use it to find that cosine 2 theta equals 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. But for this equation, we need to recall 1 equals sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta.
using the equation sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. So let's make the equation equal to cosine squared theta. So cosine squared theta equals 1 minus sine squared theta. Now replace in our first equation for cosine squared theta, which is cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. So then you'll have 1 minus sine squared theta minus sine squared theta, which reduces to 1 minus 2 sine squared theta.
Again, using the equation sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1, make the equation equal to sine squared theta. Sine squared theta equals 1 minus cosine squared theta. Now, use our equation cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta and replace sine squared theta. This gives you negative 1 plus cosine squared theta plus cosine squared theta, and then you simplify to 2 cosine squared theta minus 1.
Now that's all, folks. I hope you learned a lot about cosine double angles because this math is hot. The video is done. We've taught you all we know. The Derivinators are signing out. Hope you enjoyed the show.
Peace.
See ya.
Bye.